Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Thursday, September 25th, 2025. Today we'll cover market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes closed lower today with notable consecutive down days. The S&P 500 index ended at 6,604.20, down 33.78 points. The Nasdaq Composite finished at 22,384.70, dropping 113.16 points. Both maintain very strong positive trends despite recent weakness. Market breadth was notably negative today. The Nasdaq Composite showed significant weakness with 2,316 declining stocks versus just 788 advances. The S&P 500 similarly saw decliners outpace advancers by more than 3-1. Week-to-date returns show broad weakness across indexes. The Russell 2000 and S&P 400 mid-cap are leading declines, both down about 1.5%. Despite recent pullbacks, year-to-date gains remain solid with the Nasdaq up nearly 16%. Among sectors, energy led gains, rising 0.86% to 696.85, marking its third straight positive close. Technology edged slightly higher while maintaining its very strong upward trend. Consumer defensive broke down after 3 days of sideways movement. Healthcare-led sector declines, falling 1.6% with heightened volatility after breaking down from a week-long consolidation. Consumer cyclicals and basic materials also showed notable weakness, each declining more than 1%. In global markets, Thailand led gains, rising nearly 1%. China continued its upward momentum with a second consecutive positive close. South Korea maintained its strong upward trend despite closing lower for a third straight session. Looking at returns, China stands out with a 38% year-to-date gain. South Korea has been even stronger, up nearly 57% this year. Most Asian markets are showing positive momentum in September, despite recent daily fluctuations. Major tech stocks showed mixed performance today. Apple led gains, rising 4.56 to 256.87, with continued upward volatility. Alphabet and Amazon both marked their fourth consecutive down day. Meta Platforms dropped 11.75, while Nvidia maintained its strong positive trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Major cryptocurrencies are experiencing significant pressure today. Bitcoin is currently at 109,378, down 3,970, showing some downward volatility. Ethereum has fallen for 5 consecutive days, now at 3,896, down 6.2%. Solana leads the decline at -7.2%. The week-to-date performance shows substantial declines across the board. Solana and Ethereum have been hit hardest, down 16.9% and 12.4% respectively. BNB maintains the strongest year-to-date performance, up 36.5%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback is showing broad strength against major currencies today. The dollar has gained more than 0.5 cent against the euro and is currently at 0.8569. Against the British pound, the dollar has strengthened by 0.75 pence to 0.7494, showing strong upward volatility. The dollar has climbed notably versus the Japanese yen, advancing 89 pips to 149.79, displaying very strong upward momentum. Against both the Swissy and the Aussie dollar, the greenback has risen by similar margins of about 0.6%.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi, Victoria Cashmore, and Liquidity. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.